Muhahahaha. I will destroy you too. Hello guys, today we will be animating a crazy spunky animation scene. First, I want to tell you that I didn't plan the script, so let's see whatever comes to my head. Let's begin.
I start drawing the lines.
The lines are not straight, so I set my stability, and now you can see how good the lines are. Now the thing here is that I draw the eyes, and the second one, then just copy it so that you make sure you're not making a mistake. I want to draw the eyes a little bit bigger so that it will have more fanciness and make the eyes a little bit closer. Then I draw the headphones that you always see in the normal picture, just making sure that it is perfect and no mistakes. Then I draw the ear, the two ears, which I think those are ears, right? I don't even know what the antennas. Sorry, mistaking the movement in animation. Then I make the hair, and yeah, that's basically everything. I'm done. So what I have planned for the story is maybe he's gonna be carrying a bomb to destroy people. Let's see. I'm gonna be redrawing the body again because I don't think maybe the body is good enough. So yeah, I have to copy frames. Then I draw the mouth. I have to give it an evil grin and make it look like as if it's having an evil laugh. Okay, this is already starting to get boring. Let's move to another stuff, okay? But one more laugh. Okay, time for me to start drawing the hand. Get to notice that this is another layer. Make sure you always separate the layers, okay? I'm not gonna stress myself in drawing it. Once I do that, I'll just have to do it smoothly, animate it from where it is to showing it. Got that? It's just a little clean up lines, and make sure that you have this bomb stuff in another layer. So this movement is already good enough. So now I just need to make more characters that is gonna be destroying. Just pray the story is gonna be a good story. Yeah. So just need to draw the eyes and make him look a little bit scared. And yeah, put it in the opposite direction. And the second character, this one should look a little bit more afraid or threatened. Then yeah. And you know this blue guy in the Sprunki animation, he doesn't really appear mostly. But right now, I'll be animating him in this animation. Now this part shouldn't be the hardest part. This part is just when Orion is gonna be throwing the ball. So yeah, this shouldn't be hard. Just a quick one. Just came in this particular at least 4 frames or 5. It depends. So yeah. Movement of the body, and the next frame is just gonna move his body again. But as you guys can see, I'm switching the ball to be able to throw now. I don't want to make it go a little bit too fast, or else you guys won't be able to see it. So as my story was going, he's gonna throw the ball on the bomb, and it's gonna explode and kill the two guys. And after lost it. This is just when the bomb is gonna be hitting the earth, and yeah, the explosion smoke. Just doing this for fun. Forget that. Yeah, just for watching this, and I'll make sure I'm doing the right thing. Have to try it out exactly there, and the ground breaking. Duplicate it and make a character pop out. You should know this character, right? You know, this character that looks like a detective in the Sprunki animation. He's always wearing a tie. This time I didn't put a tie. Yeah, a mistake by me, so this is him wearing his normal hat. But yeah, cool, right? Then he's gonna be kind of mad, angry, I don't know what to call it. And he's gonna start crying. Crying animation. Just keep it at normal tips in the animation box, okay? Just coloring the waterworks. Yeah, this is its own, I like to call, not wasting time. Sorry, no coloring or sound effects. Maybe that will be included in the next video in 2 weeks or 1 month. It depends.